I'm Anthony D'Souza from Ambeli. Today I'm going to speak this full video in English so that it can reach out to the masses of those people who don't understand Konkani. Because this is an issue which I thought I should speak out today. Today again, after a long time, I had to wear these black clothes, the dark clothes, because the democracy in India looks like it is going in the darkest corners of this world today. Today when I heard the reports that has come out by the Arsenal consultants from USA that a lot of malware, using the malwares, a lot of bad documents, almost 44 documents were planted into Fr.Stan Swami's laptop. And by doing this, what they do? They try to connect Swami, Fr.Stan, with respect to the Maoist conspiracy, whereby there were charges which were included, saying that top leaders of India to be assassinated. If that is the case, why is our government so slow on this issue? Why is this not fast-tracked till today? In the meantime, Father Swami, a 83-year-old, was even denied a bail based on his age. Good conduct, the so-called good conduct. Where is the good conduct? Was Father Swami not having a good conduct that he could be even given a bail to be released, even based on his age and his conduct? He was even denied a sipper in spite of having a type of Parkinson's disease where he could not even hold a cup to his mouth. And today, we are in tune with the exact words of Fr.Stan Swami. He always stood by saying that all those documents are false documents, that they have been planted into his laptop. He always stood by it, that he has never used such softwares, such documents. He had always denied throughout his time in the jail, even after the arrest. But the agencies, including the NIA, has literally looks like they were just after his blood. Even in spite of having COVID, Fr.Stan Swami was not shown mercy today. The man who stood for the truth. So much he went through. Why is this matter now slowed down? Imagine a very bad malware has been planted into this Fr.Stan Swami's laptop, which became the basis of his arrest and continued arrest, detention into the jails. And today, through the Arsenal consultants from USA, I have understood and given to understand through the media that this almost the highest numbers of documents were planted into Fr.Stan Swami's laptops. Justice delayed is justice denied. We no more have Fr.Stan Swami with us. We will all pray that his soul may rest in peace. But where is the rest? It will be a tribute to Fr.Stan Swami if this justice come out as quick as possible on the fast track. This issue should not just die a slow death now. So please, to the government I request, it is up to our Indian government now to take cognizance of one of the highest standard of reports in the software departments in the one of the best countries in the world, USA, that they should take cognizance of such a report and do their own findings, and they should investigate who planted, who are responsible for this, and they should be brought to books. Who are the agencies? Who are the big minds and big brains behind this conspiracy? Today it is Fr.Stan Swami, tomorrow it is me, and the next will be after you. This type of malwares who are using this should be stopped. Because Fr.Stan Swami was not using the Nord VPN, a software which would work like a screen for this type of malwares to come in. Such malwares which are being used need to be interrogated. Otherwise everybody's individual life will be exposed, and exposed in the false manners. Anybody will be able to plant any falsification into anybody's softwares. So it's my humble request to the government of India to make the inquiries, to set the ball in the motion and get the justice done as quick as possible. Let not this be another history in the making. Because Fr.Stan Swami took very serious charges. In spite of him denying it, he was planted with charges. So may the justice be done to his soul. And we pray, may his soul rest in peace and justice finally for every individual of Indians. Dev Guru, thank you very much.